He's both a fisherman and a father, bonded to his mate for life. Together, they share the responsibility of raising their little Puffling, who requires 5 meals a day. Today, it's Dad's turn. When fish are scarce, Puffins must travel up to 50 kilometers out to sea to find richer fishing grounds. Once there, they dive into a world beneath the waves. Finding good spots is a challenge. Puffins can dive deep, holding their breath for over a minute and reaching depths of up to 40 meters. But the return trip is long and perilous. After nearly 100 kilometers, this Puffin is almost home, but pirates await on the coast. Arctic Skuas. Like and subscribe for more.